Hi guys, what's up? It's Riya and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 paraben-free physical scrubs. You can either use them as face scrubs or body scrubs. They're all free from parabens, they're all from Indian brands, and they're all under the price range of rupees 500, so they are really affordable. This is episode number 3 of my paraben-free series, and before I begin with showing you all of the scrubs on my list, I just want to briefly talk about this series. So in my paraben free series, I'm going to be talking about or using only paraben free products. Parabens are ingredients that are put into cosmetic products, be it makeup, skincare or hair care, as preservatives to preserve the shelf life of these products. Now the thing about parabens is that they are very harmful chemicals, and if they are used excessively on your skin or on your hair, they can cause cancer, which is actually shown by a lot of studies related to parabens. So it's always better to avoid harmful chemicals like parabens and products that contain parabens and start using paraben free products. These days there are a lot of brands which produce paraben free products, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a few of them. So without any further ado, let me quickly show you my top 5 paraben free scrubs. So the first scrub on my list is by Mamaearth. I have their face scrub as well as their body scrub. This is Mamaearth Uptan face scrub, and this one is Mamaearth Uptan body scrub. Now as much as I love the face scrub, I like the body scrub even more than that. This contains turmeric and saffron, which give you an amazing glow post using this, and the scrub is so creamy. I have never seen a body scrub to be so creamy in texture. It does not dry out your body skin at all. It instead hydrates it and makes it really soft and baby-like. So that is one thing that I love about this scrub. It is really gentle on the skin because it prevents drying, it prevents any kind of side effects like rashes or redness on your skin, and it just exfoliates your skin so gently. So this is one scrub that I highly recommend you give it a shot. You can either use this on your body or on your face, and this retails for rupees 499 for this 100 ml packaging. The next body scrub that I have is by Body Cupid. It's their chocolate body scrub. This again retails for 499 rupees for 200 ml of product, and this is free from parabens and sulfate, and it smells divine. It smells like chocolates, which is like so essential. It also contains some peppermint essential oil, which gives you that boost of freshness after you use this, and this scrubs your body really well and makes your skin very smooth and soft. The best part that I love about this chocolate body scrub is the smell. If you are into chocolate flavors, then you should definitely give this one a shot. The third scrub on my list is a very affordable one. This is Wadi Herbal's Sun Shield Strawberry Scrub, which retails only for rupees 79, which is super affordable, and it contains 110 ml of product. You can use this either as a face scrub or a body scrub. I prefer using it as a face scrub. It is gentle on the skin. It has the right amount of beads. They're not very small or very large, and this is sort of a creamy scrub, so you can use this during the winter time as well. It's got a perfumey fragrance, but nothing that bothers me a lot, and it contains walnut grains as the scrubbing particles, but they are really soft and gentle on the skin. Wadi Herbals, which is such an underrated brand, to be honest. They have some really good products out there which do the job perfectly, and they are so affordable. So this is one brand that you should check out, and they make only paraben free products. The fourth scrub on my list is the Saint Botanica Bulgarian Rose Otto Scrub. This is a body scrub which retails for 599 rupees for 200 ml of product, but this is always available on a discount on Amazon, so you will definitely get it under rupees 500. This is not just free from parabens but also from SLS and sulfates and mineral oil. And the best part about this scrub is the smell of it. It smells like roses, which just makes you feel so relaxed and soothed, and it's got that very beautiful fresh fragrance to it, which kind of lingers on your body for a while, so you will be smelling like roses for a long time after you use this. So I think that is the best part about the scrub. Apart from that, it's pretty decent on the skin. It is gentle. The beads are soft and they are small, and they do the scrubbing part really well, and they make the skin really soft and smooth. So it is a decent scrub, but the smell of this is absolutely amazing. And finally, the fifth scrub on my list is something that I don't have with me right now, but I have used this in the past. This is M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. This is a dry scrub and you gotta mix a little bit of water in it and then start scrubbing your entire body with the help of it. It smells like a mixture of coffee and coconut, which is so refreshing and so relaxing for the mind. And this is hands down the best scrub out of all of the body scrubs that I've ever used in my life. It scrubs your skin so well. It not only removes the dead skin, but it also helps you remove the dirt from within your pores. It purifies your pores and makes your body skin smooth for a couple of days. Unlike the other scrubs which only provide the smoothing effect for maybe a few hours or maybe for one day or something, but this scrub gives you that smoothing effect for days together. And when you use it, you kind of feel like you're using a natural product. It doesn't feel like you're using something that contains chemicals. So that is also another pro of using the scrub. So this is the scrub that I highly recommend out of all of the scrubs that I showed you today, and this one retails for rupees 450. So yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. Those were my top 5 paraben free scrubs from Indian brands under rupees 500. I do have about 15 to 20 videos lined up in this paraben free series, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my videos, because there are going to be very helpful videos for you guys in this series. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell icon. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, where I post a lot of makeup pictures and tutorials and everything. So yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.